So we got another day of taking care of mom and dad. So we're currently at, you can see that out there or not. We're at Finley Monument. So we just talked with them inside and kind of started laying out the rough design for the tombstone for mom and dad. So kind of getting that done. And then next sounds like, what was it, 12-week delivery?
8 to 10.
8 to 10 week delivery. But we're going to we're gonna have to wait till probably spring
Yeah.
to have that put in. So I'm not sure how all that'll work.
Yeah.
Anyways, so I'll get I'll probably shoot the design to my brother and the rest of the family, let them look it over if they got any ideas and toss it over. So we're next up we're gonna go to the city mission here in Finley. We got some donations we need to drop off for people made some monetary donations for mom for the mission. So we're gonna do that next. Yep, slowly working our way to the house. So we're at the city mission. So we just dropped off
Donate monetary.
the monetary donations from mom's funeral, and then they said they'll take canned goods and clothing, so we can probably bring everything here since mom and dad seem to support this. So, all right. So our next stop is the house, I do believe.
I think so too.
Yep, think so too. Well,
Although we are right next to Dietz's.
ooh. All right. Well,
Well, no, because we also have pie. So, all right. Yeah. Next stop is the house.
yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, I was trying to behave. That's why I
Yeah,
had a
that's
salad
right.
for lunch.
That's right.
That's right. That's right. I had a salad for lunch, so I was trying to behave.
Just saying.
Yeah, I'm just saying, I knew that too, but anyways, all right. Yep, in the house now. Got working on getting some laundry done. I'm heading around, get that kind of caught up. Kind of setting up the computer and just kind of nestling in. My wife's around here somewhere. I don't know where she's hiding at. Let's see if we can go find her. Bet she's looking at something. Yep. Pearl's gotten squirreled. Wait till we hit find photo albums.
I'm in trouble.
What you reading, babe?
It's your mom's prayer book.
Oh,
And she's got some prayers in here and quotes and some things that she cut out of different literature and things taped in here.
yeah.
And Gemma and I, on the day of her funeral, when we were in the backyard, we saw a butterfly.
Yeah.
And Gemma was sharing with me. She saw a butterfly, and it made her think of Alice. And it says here, can we read it?
Sure, go ahead.
It says, the butterfly, symbol of the risen Christ, symbol of the birth, life, death, rebirth, the new life cycle, symbol of the born again life that comes when we invite Jesus Christ, the author of life, into our hearts. When we accept him, we are born again, like the butterfly, into a wonderful new life.
Oh,
Yep, I have to share that with Gemma.
that was written by my mom.
Yeah, I don't know if she wrote it.
She wrote it or she found it.
Found
I
it
don't
and wrote
know.
it. Yeah,
Yeah.
because some of this I recognize the quotes
Okay.
from others, but
So,
yeah. So, but either way, it's in her little prayer book. So I love that.
all right. So she's working hard, as you can see. Um, she started the laundry. I'm going to gather up a few things and think we're going to mingle this weekend's what? Go through the kitchen, get the pantry down,
Yeah.
at least get things boxed. I don't know if we can get it donated, but at least get it all boxed up and then probably start folding up, go through mom's clothing, start getting that all folded up and work to my dad's if we get to it. So, anyways, that's that for now. Pearl's climbed. So, pull out one of those Snoopy boxes.
Oh, it smells.
Is there a date on there somewhere?
That's why I was getting ready to look. Look at all the spider webs and bugs. Oh, okay, August 2012.
2012.
2012 on the hot chocolate.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, that'll all be going into
Oh,
the trash bag.
yuck. Yuck, yuck, and it stinks.
All right.
So that's what's on this side. I see some stovetop. There's some mac and cheese.
Probably just as old. All right. Well, we're continuing on with the house here. Gone through. I didn't think about it. Got going here, but went through these cupboards up top. Pulled out. That'll be food we're gonna give to the city mission. That's food. It's good, but it's past the best use date, so they won't take it. That's going to the trash. Found some other stuff. We found hold on, we got hot chocolate we found food up there as old as 2007 on the boxes and stuff dated. So that's in there. But oh, I saw a pearl. I saw a pearl go by. There's a pearl. Pearl's at a stopping point. I forgot the vlog. I'm not a very good vlogger, am I? No, but there's Pearl. Anyways, so I'm vlogging now. So that was today's goal, is go through the cupboards and get all the food out. And so that's gonna go to the mission. And then I got a whole box. Like a whole box in here full.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yep. There, that box. So this whole box here go to the city mission. So all that's gonna go there to them. And we'll continue onward with, yeah, there they are, the ornery couple. They're up there now having a good old time. Oh yeah, here's some more pictures of them. There they go. Yeah, having a good old time right now. All right, so I think it's oh, what'd you get done? Oh, I'm gonna come look.
You go first.
I can go first.
I just kind of needed some input as what to do next. Got a few.
All right, we're attacking Mom's room.
I got all the closet cleaned out and the wardrobe of all the clothes.
Okay.
And I do have one question. She has a couple of dresses that she handmade. I don't know what you want to do with those.
Oh.
This is like all handmade.
I think.
And I do have a bag of trash of things that she did a good job though.
I know.
Very pretty. But anyway, that's the only thing. And then your dad had, I don't know how old these are, but there was like a bunch of ties in there.
Yeah, they're.
And I threw some away. I mean, look at this one. Is it like look how skinny. It's like a knit or like a.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, look at one of them. This one looks like 70s.
Yeah.
And then there was one. We find it. So. This one. This looked 70s.
Oh my.
Yeah. They were hanging. So I'm thinking probably.
Probably gonna get rid of all of them.
Yeah, I wasn't sure what you thought because some of them are kind of nice. Like this one's kind of pretty.
Nobody wears ties or.
No, not too much, do they? But these look old. Like I have a feeling they feel kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one looks like 70s.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll just toss all those on.
Yeah.
Yeah. I bet they haven't been touched for years.
Probably not.
Yeah, I'm thinking she had like this little box on the inside here. I can't get it off because it's nailed, but they were like all
Oh,
hanging.
yeah, that's where the ties were hung.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, it's a cute little box. But your mom has some very nice clothes, and I don't know
Oh no.
what.
Oh look.
I know. We don't know what's back
Yeah,
there.
All right. Pearl's saying this is dark and creepy in here, but I was telling her that when we were kids, that's where we used to go play. We used to have a train set up and stuff in there, Dad.
Maybe if there was more light, it wouldn't seem so. Yeah, there's stuff in there.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Yeah.
I need to look too.
Yeah, there's some lights in there. But yeah, we got more hiding in there. But yeah, that's where
As a kid, I bet that was fun in there.
yep, that was our playroom. We go in there and play and stuff. We'll get the way cleared and
Yeah, not too much, but
yeah.
there's some things.
Yeah.
Kind of curious what's in those boxes.
Yeah.
And I just left all this because she's got that all
Oh man, I don't want that to stop. Quiet. All right. Yep. As the mystery continues.
some of your mom's clothes is very nice, and I don't know what to do.
Well,
If we just got, people from church at a church.
I don't know. Just
Call the church and see what they say.
I think just yeah, we'll just take them somewhere.
Probably be right after they got married. Read that. She must have called him. Oh, you got the vlogging going.
Yeah, let me see it.
She must have called him Jimmy at the beginning before you were.
I'm going with Alvin drive in. I don't want to, I'd rather be here with you getting home. I don't think Paul's is going. He said me and Alma and Ronnie could go. So see you later. Love you very, very much. More than the whole world.
Yeah. And look at these little notes. She just.
I'll go because Alman wants me to love your wife, Alice. Aww.
Isn't that sweet? And then she must have wrote these little notes. I don't know
Put that one back up.
if she put this in I don't know if she just sat them on the table or not. But
Aww. Aww.
yeah. And that's to your dad, I
Yeah.
think, from her.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. She wrote two of these. There's two of those in here. This is his family, all these pictures.
Aww.
Uh-huh. Yeah. You're gonna have to hold on to those.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Where'd you find that
In
hiding at?
there. Just and
What's in where?
these are pictures of your dad's family.
Oh, I'm saying where'd you find?
Oh, it was in this. In that
Oh,
little
okay, you're
box.
into that over
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
I got
well,
squirreled.
You got squirreled.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was folding the towels. And she's over here found pictures.
I love pictures.
Yeah, she found pictures. We're gonna have lots of pictures to go through. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, I did towels. In fact, I got the sheets in the dryer. So there was some of Mom's laundry needed done, and there's some laundry for me and my brother when he's been here. So we're getting that done. I found me a coffee cup. That was my dad's. I'm gonna take that to work, and I'm gonna use it for a pencil holder at the new plant at my new desk. There's where that's going. Handy having the same name too. Or I don't know, maybe my son maybe James would want that cup. Put his pins in.
Ask him.
I'll ask him. Yeah. All right. So back to work. Back to
I'm
work.
I'm done being squirreled.
Yeah, I got 3 bags of trash, 2 full boxes of food. I just found some juice. You gotta go there's the other one, so I gotta get that squirreled away. So it continues. We were talking, so since there's no lawyery things happening, is that a word
I
even?
was just gonna say, I think you made a new word.
Okay, it's a Jimism. Anyways, nothing with the lawyer. I haven't heard back, so Monday would be a waste if we stayed here. So I'm gonna go to work Monday. We're gonna go back a little earlier today, and then we'll take that day Monday and then move it into our next trip. So we're gonna come down Thursday. Next time we come down, we're gonna stay at the campground again because
You have to make sure Thursday's open. It should be. Oh, you were coming Thursday anyway.
we got Thursday night.
evening,
Yeah, we got the campground Thursday night. So I'll take Thursday off during the day. That way it'll be
Yeah.
a little easier on us. And then if I need to do any lawyery thingies, we can stop by them on the way Thursday
Yeah.
or
Perfect.
Friday or whatever. So anyways, adapting, changing.
Yep.
All right. Alright, I got that little cubby. I got that little cupboard cleaned out. Look at all that. There's more in the trash can. Anchor, I'm gonna take another trash can home, trash bag with us. Yeah.
Following
What do
me.
you think, bro?
I think we're ready to start loading some stuff up.
Yeah, yeah. So we gotta put the tech away still, but we got one box of food stuff we're gonna take for ourselves. It's all stuff that's like past the best by date, but is still
It'll be
good.
used,
Just
yeah.
can't be donated.
Yeah, and it was just recent that it was the past
Yeah,
for Best Buy.
3 bags of trash, and mom would have a fit. The house looks right now.
Right.
Oh yeah, we got 2 full boxes of food for City Mission. We're starting a box for Salvation Army. Haven't destroyed the living room too much yet. Not yet. And then up here, up in the dark, it's dark. The GoPro. Oh, now the GoPro's happy. So we went through. We got clothes for Salvation Army, or church, or somewhere. Then Pearl's got some more clothes laid out here that's going to be taken and donated. And we got a whole bag full of hangers, and more hangers to be found. So we pretty much got the clothes down and out. But definitely not a fun experience here. So I guess that'll end this vlog for now. We'll be heading back up here in a couple weeks to do more work and continue on. I think next time we're going to stay at the campground. It'll be the last time we could be able to get any of that in for the year. And wrap it up for now. So till the next time. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video. And please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.